Problem 2. Using rational equations. Flight. A flight across the U.S. takes longer east to west than it does west to east. Assume that winds are constant in the eastward direction. When flying westward, the headwind decreases the airplane's speed. When flying eastward, the tailwind increases its speed. The time for a round trip shown is 7 3/4 hours. If the airplane cruises at 480 miles per hour, what is the speed of the wind? I'll note in the image we have San Francisco and Chicago, with the distance between them shown as 1,850 miles. First, we'll let x equal the wind speed as we define our variable. We know that rate times time equals distance, so time can be written as distance over rate, just rearranging the formula. We can create a table of values with columns for distance, rate, and time, and rows for going west to east and going east to west. Notice that for each, the distance is 1,850. When going west to east, the rate is 480, the cruising speed, plus x, so including the tailwind speed. And when going east to west, the rate is 480, cruising speed, minus wind speed x, a headwind. In terms of time, when going west to east, the time is 1,850, that's miles or distance between the two, over 480 plus x, that's our rate. And when going east to west, the time is 1,850 over 480 minus x. Well, we know the total time for the round-trip flight is the time from west to east plus the time from east to west. In this case, that's 7.75, the total time, equals 1,850 over 480 plus x, having a tailwind, plus 1,850 over 480 minus x, facing a headwind. In order to clear denominators, we'll multiply both sides of the equation by the LCD, that's 480 plus x times 480 minus x. Working to simplify, that becomes 7.75 times 480 plus x times 480 minus x equals 1,850 times 480 minus x plus 1,850 times 480 plus x. Continuing to multiply using the distributive property, collect like terms, and simplify, we get to the equation negative 7.75 x squared equals negative 9,600. So x squared equals negative 9,600 divided by negative 7.75. So x is approximately equal to plus or minus 35. Wind speed is measured as positive, so negative 35 doesn't make sense. We'll state that x is approximately equal to 35. So we state the west to east wind speed is about 35 miles per hour. And we can check our solution. When substituting 35 for x, does our equation check out? Well, 7.75, does that equal 1,850 over 480 plus 35 plus 1,850 over 480 minus 35? Well, 7.75 is approximately equal to 3.6 plus 4.2, so our solution does check out. Your turn, part A. You ride your bike to a store 4 miles away to pick up some things for dinner. When there's no wind, you ride at 10 miles per hour. Today, your trip to the store and back took 1 hour. What was the speed of the wind today? Part B, a reasoning item. Explain why there's no difference between the travel time to and from the store when there's no wind.